Hello guys, I'm Yunze Shi. If someone told you that there is a once and for all environmental protection method in this world, would you believe it? I will believe it, and that is what we do. The topic of our research is about green roof. This presentation will analyze the negative impacts of the Australian green roof construction and evaluate possible solutions to this impact related to substrate. There are few key issues like substrate, green roof, and sustainable building. During the construction process, the selection of construction materials inevitably has a certain impact on the natural environment, and it is quite difficult to manage. Studies have shown that the traditional material have increased energy consumption, which affects some aspects such as carbon dioxide emissions and waste discharge. As a type of green and sustainable infrastructure, a green roof is a roof with vegetation or plants growing in a substrate. The effective implementation of green roof depends on the properties of the substrate and the materials of the component. However, many materials are already widely used in Europe and North America, which are not available or suitable in Australia. There are two possible solutions. Firstly, the material should be lightweight and have good water retention and drainage, in addition to protecting against water loss. Secondly, the physical properties and the substrate should have a high water holding capacity and adequate permeability in order to maintain plant survival. However, it is difficult to find a balance between multiple physical properties. For instance, high WHC might require increased substrate volume and depth, which can increase the weight of a substrate and reduce its permeability. Moreover, more research directly leads to the increase in cost, which may slow down the construction speed and increase government investment pressure. The total duration of the study is expected to be 12 months, and the Gantt chart summarizes the main activities and the timeline from start to finish. You can find basic information on it. For example, as shown in the table, the initial literature review will take about 3 months, and 3 identical greenhouse experiments are planned to start in months 5, 6, and 7. In conclusion, the benefits of a green roof are clearly recognized, and the properties of substrates have great impact on the performance of this technology. However, there are still several potential barriers, including material availability, less research on substrates, and a lack of investment. Therefore, this study aims to identify suitable green roof substrates for cities in southern Australia. The success of this research would benefit the development of the green roof industry in Australia and contribute to sustainable development. That is the reference list. Thank you guys.